Here we have the Mercedes wall clock. And there you have the actual model number. Try and get that in focus a bit better. And there you have it. That's the clock. As you turn, it gives a little bit of a lighting, different type of lighting, which is very interesting. Here are the instructions for use. Here's the back of the clock. Takes a battery, looks like it's a AA size, and the hook section to hang it up. Also, the clock is made out of aluminium, so it's quite solid and very light. So there you have it, the Mercedes clock. Quick demonstration. It's Aldo giving a demonstration on the Mercedes clock. Anyway, Aldo signing out. Cheers. And here's what it looks like on the wall. Anyway, it's Aldo signing out. Cheers.